Accurate weighing is key to getting every blueberry in the right package, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. Meet the G3 Evolution, the next level weigh and fill machine for fresh fruit. This is the 4-scale version, but it comes in 10, 12, and 16-scale versions for maximum speed, up to 250 packs per minute. It delivers consistent weight down to a single fruit, reducing losses and increasing efficiency. The hygienic design with removable parts makes cleaning quick and simple, while silicone pads and reduced hopper drops ensure gentle handling of delicate fruit. The machine works with blueberries, cherries, tomatoes, even frozen fruit, and fills various types of packages up to 2.7 kilograms. With its smart controls, you can quickly adjust the settings for any fruit or package format. Ergonomic and operator-friendly, G3 Evolution boosts your productivity, saves time, and protects your profits. See how G3 Evolution can transform your production. Contact us and upgrade your packing line to achieve faster, more reliable packing.